Secondary sources refer to situations where you haven't read a source yourself, but you've read about a source in another source. This can be best explained through a simple scenario. Let's say that you are reading the book The Online Writing Conference by Hewitt, and in Hewitt you read about what Ryan and Zimmerelli said in their 2006 publication. You haven't actually read Ryan and Zimmerelli, but you like what Hewitt reported that they said, and you want to include it in your own writing. The first thing to note about this situation is that, as you can probably guess, secondary sources are discouraged in academic writing. This is because in this scenario, you're trusting that Hewitt has accurately reported what Ryan and Zimmerelli said in their source. You haven't actually read Ryan and Zimmerelli, so you're taking a chance that you have what you need from what Hewitt said about them. Instead, in academic writing, we encourage you to find the original source, in this case, Ryan and Zimmerelli, to read what they said for yourself. That way, you can cite them firsthand. However, there may be cases where you aren't able to find the original source, or you're on a short deadline. In those cases, we still recommend asking your faculty to see if they think using the secondary source is appropriate. If they do, or if you choose to use a secondary source, then here is how you would cite it. First, you'll include the source you read in your reference list. So in this case, that would be Hewitt. Then, for your citations, you'll list the secondary source, Ryan and Zimmerelli, the secondary source's year, 2006, and then the phrasing as cited in, and the author and year for the primary source you read, Hewitt, 2010. You can do so as either a parenthetical or narrative citation, but in both cases, you'll add as cited in and the citation for the source you read. This is the format you'll use in those rare cases where you need to cite a secondary source.